Are you looking for the best bento box in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 7 best bento box that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 7, we have the Grub2Go, the original Japanese bento box. Our runner-up pick for the best bento box is the Grub2Go original Japanese bento box. This set gives you everything you need for a convenient lunch on the go in a great compact package. Much like our top pick, this bento box comes with 2 leak-proof containers that are perfectly sized for a healthy lunch. The set comes with its own utensils, though we found these to be a bit awkward in shape and size. However, they are reusable and more durable than single-use utensils. We do like that this kit comes with 2 dividers so you have more versatility. This set doesn't come with a carrying bag, but does have a handy Velcro strap to keep everything tightly together. Moving on at number 6. We have the OSK Japanese Traditional Rabbit Moon Bento Box. If you like the idea of using a traditional style bento box for your lunches, then you'll really like the OSK Rabbit Moon Bento Box. This traditional style bento box comes with 2 separate containers that give you space for 3 food items. The boxes stack securely on top of each other, and are leak-proof and microwavable. We like that this set comes with its own chopsticks, however we found that they were a bit on the small side and kind of challenging to use. This set comes with a nice carrying bag. However, the rabbit and floral pattern might not be for everyone. At number 5, we have the Umami Premium Bento Lunchbox. The most versatile bento box that we tested was the Umami Bento Box. This set comes with 2 containers with removable, adjustable dividers. This allows you the option to have 2 to 4 different foods in your lunch. We liked that the separate containers also give you the option for hot and cold foods. The containers are microwave safe, so you can heat up your lunch in the container. This box was fairly leak-proof, which was good. The set comes in 5 different colors and includes a handy sauce container and a set of utensils. We do wish that the set had a bag to carry everything together. At number 4, we have the original Bento Heaven Bento Box Bundle. We really like that this bento box features 2 stacking containers that are leak-proof, thanks to a great silicone seal. The set comes with a food divider so you can easily convert 1 container from a single compartment to 2 compartments for snacks or sides. This set also comes with a full set of utensils, including chopsticks. It is one of the more traditional Japanese-style bento boxes we found, and we think it's really great. You get 2 color options with this bento box, white bamboo or black bamboo. All of the pieces are dishwasher safe, and the food containers are also microwave safe. Perfect for a healthy lunch at work. The set also comes with a handy lunch bag to pack it all together. At number 3, we have the Bentgo Kids Children's Lunchbox. If you want to send a healthy lunch to school with your child, but also want to minimize the bags and containers that they take with, then you'll want our pick for the best kids bento box. The Bentgo Bento Style Lunchbox is made for kids. Its 5-compartment container is perfectly sized for kid-sized portions. The lid is awesome, as it creates a tight seal between each compartment, so you can include foods like pudding, canned fruits or other saucy foods without them mingling with other items. The box comes apart for easy cleaning, and is microwave and dishwasher safe. It comes in 3 color options, so you can pick the one that your child likes best. At number 2, we have the Zoule Kitchen Bento Style Lunchbox Leak-Proof Container. Our pick for the best value bento box is the Zoule Kitchen Bento Style Lunch Container. This 4-compartment bento box is a great option for both kids and adults. The larger sized compartments allow for adult or kid-sized portions. We really like that the lid seals around each compartment, making this box really leak-proof. It also allows you to add dressing or sauce to your lunch without an extra container. The food compartment does come out for easy washing in the dishwasher. The simple design was nice, but it only comes in 2 colors. This container also comes with a spoon, which was strange, and we would have rather had a fork. And finally at number 1. We have the Jeopace Bento Box. The Jeopace Bento Box is our pick for the best budget bento box. We like the 3 compartments and the snug-fitting lid. The container is made from BPA-free plastic, but is also dishwasher and microwave safe. The Jeopace Bento Box has 3 compartments for keeping food separated, and allows you to have a complete meal in one container. It also comes with a fork that nests in the box for added convenience. We weren't super excited about the 3 compartments being in the same container. It's handy, but if you need to microwave one food, all your food will end up hot. This is great for all cold items or all hot items. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.